I'm going to show you a really quick, fun little exercise routine to work out our lower body, so the muscles in our legs and our glute muscles, which are in our bum. And it'll only take time to boil the kettle, so something that you probably do several times during the day, so it'll serve as a good little reminder for you. So it's a great way to get some really good exercises in for our lower body. Perhaps if you can't get outdoors to exercise, or maybe you're looking for something else quick and easy to do to supplement your daily walk. So we'll start the kettle and we'll get going. So the first one is heel raises, so we'll just use the side of the bench to keep ourselves balanced. If you maybe struggle with your balance or you're new to these exercises, we're just going to go up on our toes and back down. And we can do 6 of these, and that's working out the muscles in our calves. Nice and slow and controlled. Last one. And down. And then we'll move on to what I call a clock face drill. So we're going to pretend that we're bringing our leg out in line with 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and 5 o'clock, and then we'll do 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock, and 7 o'clock. So we'll start off with 9 o'clock. So we'll stand on one leg. I'm just going to go 9, 8, 7. You can do this 3 times on each leg. Again, hold on the side of the bench for balance. And then the other leg, we'll go out to 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. This is a really good exercise for working our glute muscles in our bum. 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock. Next, stand with your feet about hip width apart, and again, just use the bench for balance if you need to, and we're just going to do a simple squat down. So just pretend you're sitting down on a chair, so send the bum back as if you're going to sit down, and however far you can get, that's fine. You can only get down here, that's grand. You can see if you can increase your range of motion over time. And then lastly, we're going to do an exercise just to help our core and also our leg muscles. So we're just going to bring our leg up and out to the back. So at like 6 o'clock. Up and out. Try not to arch our back too much, so we don't want any of that. Try and keep a nice straight back. Right? Aim for 3 on one side to start off and 3 on the other. It's working muscles in our legs again and also our glutes. And as you advance, you can also bring in the hands, so from down and up. So, the same on the other side. Okay. That's it, 4 simple little exercises, all in the time it takes to boil the kettle.